Uh-oh. Oh, I couldn't see the end one. I was like, why is the end one not firing? They look like they're firing. I don't know how this machine works. I'm assuming that simulates RPM. That one on the end's pretty weak though, ain't it? Or is it just because of the way I'm looking at it? I guess it might look good. Well, so you can close them so you can do like a fluid check on it to see if it's flowing the same.
Yeah, let it run through this cycle, and then you'll see if it one's more or less.
That is sweet. As I said earlier, solid purchase.
Yeah, that way you know it's either working or it's not, and you know it. There's no guessing about it.
And I was hesitating after I seen you bought it. I was like, man, I should take mine down there. And then my buddy's like, I need to get my injectors tested. I was like, you know what? I think I know a guy who's got a brand new machine to do it. I guess they don't look that far off. Very sweet. I like the light behind it. You can see up in there. You see the spray pad here.
Yeah, because it's purging the air.
Down, this is your first shot. Spray pattern up good on them.
That's what's going on inside the intake manifold. Dumping fuel in.
It's crazy. That's not even like when you had mine revved up on the RPM thing, like that's not even, that's like an idle just sitting there just. That's what I was thinking the other day about like your sparks the same way. Like that comes around, you know what I mean? It's like, geez, every 2 revolutions, each hole is hitting a spark. And spinning at whatever, 5,000 to 6,000 RPM. And I'm like, holy Jesus. How's it even time for everything to work in there, but all that geometry's got to be just right for everything to flow and move. And got a good look at all my rockers today. They all look pretty solid. Still contemplating just relashing them just for.
Not too bad.
Sweet. You ever see an issue like where you test them with that high RPM cycle and like one like fails out or shorts out or starts acting funny at higher? Not really. If they're working kind of.
No, but I like the snake eater injectors on the one kid's truck. I could tell about 6,000 it was cutting out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Like I told her, I'm just here. I'm just standing here watching. And about now, his 78's making about 17 pounds of booze. That thing is cool.
Pretty even, no big discrepancies.
Nope. Is that one look like it's putting out so much air, or does that just happen sometime?
Look at the difference on that one. Just got a little extra on that one.
Don't put that one in the back and number 8.
Quite a bit.
Worst case is we can always tag it somehow, and I can always tell him if he needs to, he can buy one. I mean, really, if anything, it's safer than worse. You know what I mean? Being a little richer than leaner.
Yeah, but maybe you can be leaner and make more power.
True. Yeah, technically, it'd be dragging that cylinder around, wouldn't it? The other 7 would be making more power leaner.
Unless it was a cylinder that was getting more air than the others.
Right.
Then you would want to add that to it.
Get more air what in the rear, don't you? Like, so it's like,
Usually the rear it comes in the front of that intake and shoves it right in the back. 6, 7, 8. But I've also seen the nitrous plates burn up like 1 and 2 because it gets fucking nitrous right in the front right away. We burn up 1 and 6. We were burning up. So there's one that's a bit more. We can mark that one.
Yep, we'll mark that one, and if he wants to replace it, I'm sure they're like, what, $40 a piece or something, 50? I don't remember what he paid for the set, like 400.
So we switched the wire, and it's still up. So it ain't nothing with that going on.
Right, yep, cool.